Welcome to this calming yoga practice designed to help you relax and unwind. In this video, we will explore 5 soothing poses to ease stress and promote tranquility. Let's begin. Pose 1, legs up the wall pose. Find a quiet space and sit with your back against a wall. Swing your legs up against the wall with your hips and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Relax your arms, close your eyes and breathe deeply. Stay for 5 breaths. Pose 2, seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale, lengthening your spine. Exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes. Keep your knees slightly bent if necessary. Allow your head to release and your body to relax. Hold for 5 breaths. Pose 3, reclined pigeon pose. Lie on your back and bring your right knee into your chest. Place your right ankle in front of your left knee. Relax your arms and let your body release. Switch sides after 5 breaths. Wait for part 2.